All right, y'all, welcome to Miguel Global Food and Travel. I have not posted in a minute because I've been eating a lot of food. I've been doing a lot of traveling. This is something really quick under quarantine that you can satisfy the kids, you can make her really happy, and you can save yourself a lot of money. That's the oven, what we're gonna talk about in a minute. I'm gonna make a homemade pizza. Now, I discovered this pizza because under quarantine, we wanna eat and we need some pizza. However, I'm suspect about going out various places to get food. So you ready? You're gonna love this. Some gyro bread, gyro, whatever you choose to call it as. I had this in the freezer, in the refrigerator, and I had an epiphany, and here we go. You wanna take one piece of the bread, or depending how many people eating, that's what you do. You take some simple marinara pizza sauce. Check this out. We're gonna make a pizza just like this. You can be as sloppy as you want to. Spread it around the bread, boom, like that. Next thing you wanna do is you wanna sprinkle some pepper. See, under quarantine, you gotta be careful, protect your family. Then you spray a little bit of garlic. I like to have a liberal hand. Now I have Himalaya salt. You do not have to use that, you use kosher salt. If you use regular salt, be careful, just a little bit of sprinkle. Here's the magic. I've made this 3 times to perfect this for you. Red pepper. It gives the pizza sauce the right amount of spice that you want, and you just let it go around. Now, what you think is gonna go next? Keep that camera right there. What you want? This is just simple. Simple mozzarella cheese, and you sprinkle it up there, no different than when you would. Now let me tell you this. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up some simple pepperoni that I get from the store. While I'm cutting this pepperoni, I'm gonna share something with you. I'm a pizza guy only when traveling. I don't eat a whole lot of pizza, but I'm from Jersey, so I do know New York got a good slice of pizza, Chicago got good pizza, etc., etc. Which means I'm a perfectionist with pizza. This right here needs to be in somebody's restaurant. So again, if you got kids and you need to make something really quick, I'm making this in real time, so you'll see exactly how long this takes. Now on this one, I cut up 7 pieces of pepperoni and set it right there. And at the very end, I'll put some parsley on top of that pizza. And if you heard earlier, the oven was preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm literally gonna take this pizza just like this and put it in the oven. Check it out. It's going right in the oven on the center rack, and it's gonna stay right there. Now, I almost forgot to tell you, put it on 15 minutes. So if you see right here, it's on 15 minutes cook time. Now, once that hits 0, we coming back. All right, y'all, look at this. Now, you're not gonna tell me that don't look like, how that looks. It looks real good. You want a real big one? But this is just a start. Because we trying to show the people out there how to eat it. You want a big one? How many of these you want to eat? 5? 10?
2 of them.
You want 10? All right, so here we go. Simple. If you get a good look at this, I'm telling you, you cannot lose with this. And whether you have a standard...
I'm going to help you, Daddy.
You want to help me? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, you definitely going to help me eat it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that. Come on. Get a good look at that camera. Look at that. I'm telling you, listen, if you have children, if you have a hungry wife like I got one, if you just need like flavor, you want a snack, this is what you do for pennies on a dollar. You want a snack? All right, well, I gotta feed my daughter. You wanna make this at home. If you have any questions, send me a comment section below, subscribe to the channel, because I'm about to flood y'all timeline with a bunch of food, because I gotta feed this one. And now, you ready to eat?